Hi everyone! Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat and welcome sa Leluna Tarot. This is your intuitive reader, Maria. Okay, so for today we are going to do a pick a pile reading. Okay, so sa harapan ninyo we have two cards. Okay, so this is the Numinous Astro deck. Okay, so ang topic natin for today is what are the expectation of people have of you. Okay, so titingnan natin kung ano ba yung in-expect sa'yo ng mga tao na nakapaligid sa'yo. Okay. So, lahat to, whether a family member, a friend, yung mga taong nakakilala sa'yo, so ano yung expectation nila of you. Okay, so this is pile number one and this is pile number two. Sa kaliwa ko, pile number one, and sa kanan ko is pile number two. So, meditate on your cards para mag-resonate sa inyo kung ano yung reading, okay, na para talaga sa inyo. So, this is pile number one and this is pile number two. So, what people or what expectation people have of you. Kung nakapili ka na, we are going to proceed sa ating pile number one. So, itatabi lang muna natin tong ating card. So, pile number one, kung ito ang napili mo, so ito yung expectation ng mga tao sa'yo. Okay? So, this is Aries, the radical. Wow. You can be a fire sign. Wow. Most of you people is expected na nila na you are kind of rebellious. Ah, bold, daring, okay. Malakas ang loob. File number one. Ikaw yung klase ng person na you are not a follower, you're a leader. Okay? Um, ikaw din yung ano, meron ako narinig na badass, parang ano siya, parang ano ka, parang, ano ka, parang ano, kakaiba, bold, okay? Daring ka. Ikaw yung klase ng tao na expect na sila na ano, na hindi ka nagpapa under. Okay? Hindi ka nagpapa-under. You have your own thoughts, you have your own mind, you have your own decision. Pile number one. And for some of you, yung iba sa inyo is may side ng pagka-inosente, innocent, okay? Pero half of you is daring, bossy, okay, leader. You have your own rules. You are not a follower ng rules. Yun kasi nakikita ko. And for some of you, may tattoo ka. Okay? Meron kang tattoo. You're a tattoo artist. Um, meron din akong iba sa inyo na ano, may nakita ako sa inyo na Scorpio. Okay? Boyish. Mas lamang yung masculine energy ninyo. You're an alpha. Okay? And most of you is parang may temper. Okay? So they are expected na once na may narinig ka na against your principle or negative feedback or negative words is expected na nila na hindi ka takot makipag-argument. Okay. And you are a competitive ka. Iba yung aura mo. Parang you are ano eh. Intimidating. Okay. Intimidating ka for these people, then expected na nila yun. Kasi nga, nakikita na nila yon sa aura mo and then sa physical appearance mo. For some of you, meron ka ding mataas na ano meron ka ding mataas na taste when it comes sa partner. Pero yung iba sa inyo is talaga nakikita ko boyish. Okay? Boyish, masculine, um, not into men. Okay? Iba sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo, yung for some of you is you're the eldest among the magkakapatid and somehow your parents or guardian or anything na parang parang mas may edad, older, mga elders, they are expecting na parang ikaw yung mag-aano sa mga kapatid mo. Ikaw yung parang magiging role model. Okay, let's see. File number one. Ano yung expectations sa'yo ng mga tao? Wow. Queen of Cups, di ba? Nurturing. Sabi ko nga you are the one who is taking care of your kapatid, your family, parang ganon. Kaya talagang ine-expect nila na ikaw yung klase ng person na parang hindi takot. Hindi takot sa challenges, okay? Expected nila na ikaw malakas ka, parang ganon. Pero when it comes kay Queen of Cups here, this is a water sign. Okay. Siguro they're expecting na parang you're a macho, parang pero deep inside, meron ako nakikita na most of you is emotional. Okay. Sensitive also. You have this kind of aura na um, parang malakas ka outside. Kasi yun ang kailangan mo i-portray. Ha? So, hindi mag-resonate sa inyo ha. Most of you is, yun yung kailangan mong i-portray, pero deep inside you are sensitive. Okay? N. N ha, N. Maybe this is a facade lang ha. Not negatively, pero meron ako nakikita dito na parang siguro outside they are expected or they are view you as this parang macho if you are a feminine or whether you are a masculine, nakikita nila na parang ka, intimidating ka, pero deep inside you are very emotionally matured. Meron ako dito nakikita na you're a very loving kind of a person. You're sensitive also. Emotionally intelligent then also. And for some of you, you're a mother na or you're a older sister. They're expecting you na you are strong pero actually you are a mother Yung parang merong kang energy ng mother. Very nurturing very emotional. Ha? Queen of Cups, very loving. Wow. King of Pentacles. They're expecting you to, tingnan nyo ha, King, Queen F saka King, so some of you is balance or well balanced ang feminine and masculine, and for some of you, if you are a mother already, you can be a mother and you can be a father. Kaya mong gampanan ng pagiging babae, kaya mong gampanan ng pagiging lalaki. And people is expecting you na ganun ka kasi they are kapag naririnig nila yung pangalan mo, kapag naiisip ka nila, they are expecting na you are strong. Po pwedeng ano po pwedeng for some of you is magaling din when it comes sa pera, a good provider. Oo. And yun yung ina-assume nung people sa'yo. Expected na kasi nga yun yung nakikita nila sa'yo na strong ka, can be for some of you is successful. Okay. O pwedeng parents mo to na also na they are expecting you na ganun yung personality mo. Justice. Wow. People also expecting na ano ka, patas ka also. You are very may integridad, patas. Wow. Some of you people respected you, pile number one. Meron akong narinig, you can be in an old soul also. Maraming knowledge sa'yo, stock knowledge sa'yo. So, o pwedeng maraming kang pinagdaanan na and that's why they expected you to be strong. Okay? And people also know that you have a higher purpose. As for some film, meron ako nakikita nga na yung iba sa inyo panganay. Yeah, panganay na anak. For some of you, I see na yung iba sa inyo is no BS din. Kind of a person. Fiery, pero patas. Okay. Two cards for my pile number one. Strength, o di ba? Yung iba sa inyo, daring na talagang confident. Confident yung iba sa inyo and they expected kasi nga nakikita nila sa iyo when the way na manamit ka, the way na iak mo outside, okay? Matatag ka. For example, you can be a Leo also. Ikaw yung klase ng tao, they expected you na may pagpipigil ka. If you're mad, meron kang, kaya mong i-temper yung sarili mo. Kaya mong kontrolin yung sarili mo. Kaya mo rin, meron akong people expected na ikaw yung tipo ng tao na You know how to tame others the way that others will respect you. Basta ano, they respect you. Pile number one. And expect nila din sa'yo also na mapagbigay ka, emotionally matured ka, yung mapagmahal ka, pero they didn't know na kapag kinross nila yung boundaries mo, pwede mo din silang i-cut off. Okay, yun, meron akong narinig na ganun. Page of Pentacles. Opportunity. New start. Hindi ka takot ano, hindi ka takot na mag-start ulit. Okay? And they expected you. They expecting. Okay? Na kasi nga bold ka eh, ano ka eh, fiery ka eh. And it can be in a partnership. Nakikita nila sa'yo na hindi ka takot pagmahal ulit, hindi ka takot na mag-start ulit when it comes sa new relationship, parang ganyan. Yes, you are Queen of Cups, mapagmahal, very loving, emotionally matured. Yes, you follow your heart. You follow your heart even though you have this strong personality. Even though you have this alpha kind of energy. Yes, you are very loving. Kaya mong magpaka-feminine, kaya mong maging submissive, okay? Kapag kinakailangan, lalo na sa partnership, meron ako nakikita dito, but, may but yon. Most of the time, if kailangan mong magpaka-alpha or mas ipakita yung masculine side mo, which is, sabihin nating provider, maging independent, is kaya mo. And kaya mo rin, ano, hindi ka takot mag-start ng bagong connection, bagong relationship, o pwedeng ganon. So, let's use this. Kuha tayo nito. Actually, I'm kinda, clueless pa ako eh kung ano yung cards na gagamitin natin for this reading. Pero let's see dito sa ating Yin Yang Oracle. So, ano yung ina-expect sa'yo ng mga tao, pile number one? Ano pa yung ina-expect nila sa'yo? Actually, more on describing to, more on describing tong reading na to. Kung paano ka nila describe, hindi, ano yung ina-expect nila from you. Well, expected nila sa'yo na kaya mo yung sarili mo, pile number one. Self-care, di ba? Energy, self-care. Kaya mo yung sarili mo. Kaya mong alagaan yung sarili mo, self-care. And expected nila sa'yo na you are taking care of yourself. Kasi nga, nakikita nila yon outside. Nakikita nila yon na you are no BS kind of a person. You can be a feminine and you can be a masculine also. Kaya mong gampanan yung babae, kaya mong gampanan yung pagiging alpha. Renewal, spark. Let's see. Alam niyo yun, may nakikita ko dito na for some of you, ano eh, very well balanced. Kaya mong i-balance yung sarili mo. Kaya mong, merong part sa'yo na kaya mong magpaka-feminine, pati outside ha, and kaya mo rin magpaka-masculine, which is parang boyish, parang ganun, macho look. Facade, belief. For some of you, people, trigger warning, people also expecting na parang, siguro sinasabi nila na parang facade niya lang yan na parang, ano siya, strong siya, pero may iba siguro ha nakakaalam guys na, pero ano yan, pero siguro ano yan inside. Parang ano, they are telling that yung pinapakita mong strength, yung pinapakita mong boldness, pinapakita mong parang macho side mo is front mo lang siya. Parang sinasabi nila yon. Parang it's just a facade. Parang ganun. Pero deep inside, you are feminine, you are submissive, parang ganun. You are softy, you are sensitive, parang ganun. Reflection, projection, right? Yeah, people is expecting na it's just a projection. Parang yun lang yung pinoproject mo. Yun lang yung pinoproject mo. Yung pagiging parang macho mo, yung parang pagiging strong mo, pagiging bossy mo, pagiging flashy. You can be a flashy kind of a person. Now, what I mean is flashy is parang, kung makikita nyo dito, it has a sports car. Yung parang flashy ka. Um, hi- Flaunting, parang ganyan. And po pwedeng people is expecting parang ano, parang for some of you, they are telling na parang ano, it's just a facade. Parang facade lang yun na parang ano siya, na parang may kaya siya or parang okay yung situation niya, parang ganon. It's just a outside lang, parang nagkukunwari. May pagkukunwari dito, parang ganon. Parang number one. Tingnan pa nga natin. Separation, longing, and fire sign again. Leo, Aries, Sagittarius with the Aries here. Ace. 'Di ba? For some of you, it's just a facade na you are strong, you are parang kaya mo yung sarili mo, parang okay lang na ano, parang okay lang na wala kang partner. For some of you meron ako nakikita dito na sinasabi ng ibang tao na it's just they're expecting nyo na parang expecting na magpapakita ka ng ganyan, na parang strong ka, na parang kaya mo yung sarili mo kahit walang love life, okay lang sa'yo na single, gitu. Pero sinasabi ng iba na parang it's just a facade, pe- pero ang katotohanan is parang you are longing for someone. I don't know. And yung, meron akong nakikita dito na parang kaya mo ginagawa yan is kasi you want parang gusto mong kaya mo ginagawa yung self-care, you want a renewal to a person, to a to a connection, parang gano'n. Titingnan pa natin. Leo, fire sign is confirming lang na most of you is a fire sign. Okay. And for some of you, meron akong nakita lang ngayon na hindi lahat mag-resonate sa inyo, pero meron akong nakita ngayon na there is someone expecting siguro na parang you're longing dito sa person na to. This person is parang ini-expect niya na maglo-longing ka dito sa person na to with the female and male here. Pero siguro kabaliktaran yung ipinakita mo sa kanya. There is someone na yung belief niya is parang you are longing sa kanya, whether you are a male or a female, expected niya na maglo-longing ka sa kanya. Yung parang mamimiss mo siya, parang gusto mong bumalik sa kanya. Hindi niya expected na kabaliktaran yung pinakita mo, which is you are taking care of yourself. Hindi niya expect na parang kaya mo yung sarili mo. Yung kaya mo mag-start ulit ng bago. Parang ganon. For some of you, hindi lahat mag-resonate, pero yun yung nakita ko. Oops. More. Oops. Hangman. Hmm. Someone is expecting you na iintindihin mo siya. Someone here is expecting you na parang magsusurrender ka sa kanya. Parang gano'n, magsusurrender, parang ano, parang if you have any separation, meron akong nakikita dito na someone is expecting na pwedeng ano, you are connecting ulit or you are taking care of yourself kasi somehow still you are longing sa kanya. Let's see ha. King of Coins. With the King of Pentacles here. Wow. King of Coins and King of Pentacles is same lang. Oh, you have a strong sense of self-worth. You know what is your worth. And pwedeng this person is thinking or expecting that this is just a facade. Pero ang totoo is, your worth. Someone is thinking it's just a reflect, yun lang yung reflect mo, yung parang naka-move on ka na, na-release mo na siya, parang ganon. Hmm. Let's see. Mhm. Meron dito na ano, nagdedelulu. This person is thinking or expecting na can now it's just a this person ano ganun lang pinapakita niya pero deep inside with the Queen of Cups here, mahal pa ako nun talaga, longing talaga sa akin yun. Siguro you are in separation with this person. Eight of Cup, walking away. Wow. Hmm. Yeah, this is confirming that someone is expecting or parang iniisip nitong someone na to no, na it's facade lang yung parang walking away mo or pag move on mo sa kanya. Pero in katotohanan, parang ganun, parang ay, facade lang yung pinapakita niya pero this person is still longing for me, parang ganun. Iniisip siguro nila or nitong person na to na naka-move on ka na. Or iniisip nila na parang hindi ka pa nakaka-move on and it's just a facade na parang okay ka na you are working on yourself, na parang ano, pero sa tutuusin is hindi ka pa parang ready to move on, ready to let go. Nine of Cups. Emotional fulfillment. Tumalo na. Uh, they are, someone is expecting na parang ano, or iniisip itong person na to, actually, this is expected. Ano yung inaasahan ng person na to? Siguro ano, inaasahan nitong person na to na parang facade nga lang yung pinapakita mo na strong ka eh. Pero facade lang na ipinapakita mo na parang happy ka, satisfied ka, contento ka, pero deep inside, you are longing dito sa connection na to or dito sa person na to. Pinapakita mo lang na you are stable, okay? You are grounded, you are secured, pero deep inside, you are ano, you are not. Okay. King of Wands. Uh-huh. You can be so very um good looking also. Nice. You can be an entrepreneur. Siguro this person is ano, expecting na magkakabalikan pa kayo or magiging okay pa kayo. can be the person is, if you're feminine, it can be the person is a Capricorn or an older person, older guy. And can be you are the king of wands here, if you whether you're a feminine or a masculine. Let's see. Sabi. Wow. Four of Swords. There, pwedeng may silent between the both of you. You are resting, you are healing. Pwede siguro ano. For some of you others, expected na you are completely isolating yourself. Kasi you are still healing on a connection. For some of you also, they're expecting na you are letting go dito sa person na to. Kasi pwedeng they know your personality, and that's why you are in a isolation right now. You are healing. You are retreating yourself dito sa person na to. Siguro alam nila na you are on your self-care. Okay? Kasi, and they know also na they're expecting talaga maghihiwalay kayo nitong person na to. Kasi, siguro hindi kayo magkatagpo. Someone is stable and the other one is not. Take what's resonate, guys, ha. Pwedeng you are prioritizing yourself right now. You are healing. You are focusing on your finances. Okay. So people are expecting na you are focused on your finances right now. You are healing from a separation. Okay. While the other person is thinking na you are still longing sa kanya. Okay. So meron ako nakikita dito. The other person is thinking that you are longing sa kanya, and it's just a facade na you are okay without him or her. O pwedeng this person also is sinasabi na parang you are content, you are happy, pero kunyari lang yun, siguro na pinapakita mo lang na ganun ka. Pero deep inside, you are hurt. Yeah? You are emotionally not okay. Parang ganun. Okay, so air sign, earth, earth sign, water sign, fire sign. Okay, lahat na naman nandito. Yes. Okay. So ano yung ine-expect ng mga tao sa iyo, pile number one? They're expecting na ano na you are healing right now, and they're expecting na talagang you are walking away dito sa connection na to. Siguro alam siguro ng mga tao to o naman yung connection mo before. They know na you are focusing on your money for some of you. You are happy and content, o pwedeng you are a free thinker, no, which is parang, since you are an Aries, if you are a fire sign, you are a free thinker na parang hindi ka takot na, sabi ko nga, to start again. Pero syempre, you need time to heal or you need time to yourself. Pero people look at you and expected na you are strong. You will be soon awakened, parang ganon. You will soon marirelease mo to, malalet go mo kung ano man to or kung sino man to. And then siguro, people expecting na soon, siguro soon, since you are focused on yourself and you are in your self-care right now, you are in your healing right now, they know na soon, not long enough is siguro magiging happy ka ulit and you will find someone better siguro. They are expecting kasi nga you are daring eh. You are not afraid to start over. Parang ganon. Though you are emotionally matured eh. Yeah. Very loving. So, pa number one, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading. And kung hindi man, okay lang. You are free to watch file number two. So again, yung reading po natin ngayon is po pwedeng it can be papunta siya sa personality, okay? Kung ano ba yung expected sa ng mga person, it can be papunta siya sa kung ano man yung lalabas na energy dito na which is may lumabas na parang there is someone here expecting you na parang you're not getting over sa kanya and it's just a facade, okay? So, I hope nag-resonate sa iyo to and kung hindi man, again, you are free to watch file number two. Okay? So, file number one, I will go to file number two na. Okay. Let's see. Hi, file number two. Kung ito, yung card na napili mo, ito yung expected or expectation ng tao sa'yo. Okay, so take what's resonate again and leave yung hindi mag-resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, titingnan natin kung anong energy yung lalabas sa'yo. Para number two, ano ba yung ina-expect sa'yo ng mga tao sa paligid mo? Whether this is a family, a friend, a connection. Okay. So, ang nakuha mong card ay North Node Destiny. Hmm. Wow. You can be on your peak right now, pile number two. For some of um, you are on a journey. O pwedeng you are still finding yourself, finding your career, finding your path. Okay. Oh, let's see, pile number two. Ano ba yung expectation sa'yo or in-expect ng mga tao sa'yo, pile number two? Uy, For some of you, meron ako nakikita dito na po pwedeng mahilig kang mag-travel. For some of you can be a hiker. Meron akong travel na nakikita dito. Let's see, pa number 2. The Tower. Uy. Hmm. I will see. Why? There is a situation here, biglaan, na nangyari, na nag-cause para hanapin mo yung purpose mo and mag-matured ka. It can be this is about love or a partnership. Time number 2. Wow. 5 of coins. Okay. Seven of Wands, pero tumalsik siyang si in reverse eh. Ah, ha. Aha, aha, aha. Okay. Mamaya na, para number 2. Aha, aha, aha. Aha, aha, aha. Wow! Oop, oop, oop. Okay. So take what's resonate again and leave the rest. Disclaimer lang, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. Pero meron ako nakikita dito na for some file number 2, you are on a process right now. You are on a journey. O pwedeng may pupuntahan ka na place. Meron kang pupuntahan na lugar. Kasi, or you are going to a place. Kasi, okay, hindi na't mag-resonate dito. Meron ako nakikita dito for some of you. There is a tower moment. O pwedeng merong away, merong kaguluhan na nangyari, merong separation. Tower of Epiphany, there is a big changes na nangyari. O pwedeng it is about a partnership of you, of yours, file number 2. A relationship, a partnership, a connection. Po pwedeng um, sinundan mo tong person na to. Okay? Hindi mag-resonate sa inyo. Po pwedeng this person left you, meron kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan, or merong separation dito eh. Someone here is parang nakaramdam ng left out. This person, po pwedeng ikaw yon or this person, iniwan, okay? May hindi pagkakaunawaan, o pwedeng merong hindi napagkasunduan, and it can be um, burden to kasi sa'yo. Naging burden. That's why, siguro, pupuntahan mo. Yeah. Oh, di ba? The lovers. So, o, di ba? Um, pupuntahan mo to eh. It's either you're in a actual travel right now, meron kang pupuntahan. Titingnan natin. Choices kasi to eh. Let's see. Dito sa ating yin yang. File number 2. Hmm. This is a connection of partnership. O pwedeng ano eh, this is a connection na ano eh, parang doon dito sa nangyari parang ano eh, you are finding your purpose. O pwedeng may separation na nangyari or may nangyari sa'yo before. Abrupt ending, um, biglaan with the tower moment. Uy! Let's see ha, let's see. Mamaya sabihin ko. Pero meron akong nakita dito na for some of you, connection to. Let's see. Uy, spark again. Lumabas din niya kanina sa file number 1. Trust, divine time, masculine, higher self activation, regret, repression. This one. Wow. Deception, temptation, and last card na tumalon is celebration, abundance. Celebration and abundance. Bottom of the deck is third eye, clarity. Ah, hmm. Okay, for some of you, this is about if you're a masculine, about a feminine. If you are a feminine, this is about a masculine. So, sabi daw dito, trust the divine time. Okay, so kung ano man yung nangyari before, whether this is a renewal of, o pwede it can be a renewal of yourself. Kasi there is someone here is regretting. kung ano yung nangyari. Pero, soon you will find out that kung ano man yung nangyari before sa'yo, abrupt with a tower kasi is very dramatic changes, parang ganun. Pwedeng it can be on a partnership eh. Kasi pwedeng naiwan ka with the five of pentacles, pwedeng naiwan or pwedeng iniwan, pwedeng finance sa finances to. Siguro right now you are processing what happened for some of you. Pero you need to trust. Okay? Kasi po pwedeng someone here is being deceptive or it can someone here is being deceptive or not truthful, a burden. So po pwedeng itong person na to yung nagiging burden sa'yo to push forward to know your purpose. With the higher self and activation here, soon you will find out actually na separation is a gift. Oo, separation is a gift sa'yo para malaman mo kung ano yung purpose mo. Pwedeng you're in a journey of healing right now. Pwedeng you're in a journey, actually literally journey ngayon na pwedeng nag-abroad ka, pwedeng nagpakalayo-layo ka, pwedeng nag-iba ka ng job, pwedeng basta nasa journey ka ngayon. And there is an abundance here. If this is about, kung meron kang connection na nawala before or meron nawala sa'yo before, may kapalit yun soon na celebration. Soon, magkakaroon ka ng clarity doon sa nangyari. Kasi ano to eh, North Node to eh, destiny. Ano ba yung destiny talaga for you? Pile number 2, parang ganon. If, kung hindi man love to, destiny or parang purpose mo sa life, parang ganon. And people, huh, expecting na malayo yung mararating mo. People expecting na soon magiging abundant ka. Pwedeng siguro nahihirapan ka right now. Whether sa finances. Let's see. Meron ako nakikita integrity din dito, integridad eh. Siguro meron sa may nangyari before. Let's see. Expecting. People are expecting sa'yo. File number 2. Kasi ano eh, 10 of Wands is burden to eh. Burden, mga lalahanin, mga responsibilidad. And someone siguro is regretting here. It can be a masculine. Someone is regretting here. Kasi this person is deceptive. Oh. Okay. Whoever itong person na to, this siguro nalaman mo. This is about a relationship siguro eh. This person siguro is regretting kasi you are soon will be abundant. You will celebrate soon. Yeah. Siguro you trust yourself, you trust the divine timing, you trust sa process. That's why There is a fulfillment here. Po pwedeng you will find your purpose soon. Po pwedeng, for some of you, po pwedeng nag-abroad ka eh. With the Five of Pentacles here, po pwedeng yung parang hirap when it comes sa finances, eh, parang not enough. Meron ako nakikita dito. Let's see. Ay, bakla ka. Saan na yun? Isang card tumalon. Again, the tower. Nakikita nyo ba the tower? The tower. Pero, tumalsik siya ng naka-reverse. Ay. Ay, 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 ay. Let's see ha, let's see. Judgment. Someone here is delaying, resisting judgment, delaying the inevitable, delaying the call, delaying the process, delaying the purpose. Never trust intuition, never trust the higher self. Oh. Let's see ha. Knight of Coins. Uy. Stuck. Ang madami. Let's see. File number 2. Seven of Cups. Wow. Ay, okay. May nakikita na ako dito. File number 2. Eight of Wands. Progress. Page of Cups. Bottom of the deck. Death. Ending. Ending, new beginning, letting go. Guys, someone here is honestly, file number 2, others are expecting you to know your purpose kasi siguro nakikita nila sa'yo na you have this kind of uh, yung may kinabukasan kay parang ano eh, you have this kind of gift, you have this kind of personality na magiging successful. Yeah. And for some of you, hindi ko nila lahat, someone here is delaying. Why? Because someone is still stuck. Okay. Ay, may nakuha na ako. Actually, there is there is may pangyayari na nangyari. Paano ko ba sabihin to? May nangyari na. May reason na para maging out. Mag-out. Parang gano'n. May reason na para uh, mag-separate. Pero, meron ako nakuha na this person is tempting you or deceiving you. Kasi this person is know your purpose. This person is alam niya kung ano yung capability mo, alam niya kung who, alam mo yun, yung kung ano yung magiging ikaw. Once na tinap mo yung higher self mo, this person know your ano eh, your personality, alam niya magiging successful ka, alam niya yung ano mo eh, yung power mo within yourself. Now, once you trust yourself, you will tap on your higher self eh. Alam mo yon yung walang makakapigil sa dito sa may journey nito, it can be pwede siguro yung iba sa inyo literally nagbabalak mag-abroad, nagbabalak magtrabaho sa ibang bansa, nagbabalak na ano, yung parang sundin kung ano yung gusto mo sa sarili mo. Siguro it can be gusto mong maging ganito, maging artist or maging basta ano siya eh, follow your dream. You know your purpose. Alam, kumbaga ano eh, gusto mong tuparin yung pangarap mo, parang ganun. And siguro is makapunta sa ibang lugar. And pa pwede sigurong this person, meron na separation dito eh, pero there is someone here avoiding the tower. Yung separation. Someone here is avoiding the judgment. It can be this is a masculine. O pwede sigurong burden eh. Burden ito eh, itong nangyari na to eh. Can be this person is burden. Kumbaga parang pinipigilan ka nitong person na to eh. It can be not totally pinipigilan ka physically, pero pinipigilan ka niya energetically. Yeah. Feeling stuck, di ba? Seven of Cups is here, which is nagpapatunay lang na siguro ikaw yung nasa mindset na to at take what's resonate, yung parang ano eh. Meron ako nakita dito na siguro iniisip ng other person na parang wala na siya makikilala na ganito, ganyan, parang ganon. Eight of Wands. Seven to Eight of Wands. Someone here soon nakikipag-communicate sa'yo. But, be aware. Be aware. This person knows na may celebration. Pwede sigurong hiwalay ka na dito sa person na to. O kung meron mang magandang nangyari sa'yo and maraming nakakaalam, merong gustong pumigil. Okay, meron ako nakikita dito, may gustong pumigil. I know this is out of topic, pero may humahatak sa'yo. Pabalik. Kasi may tower na dito, pero nag-tower in reverse pa. May humahatak sa'yo or may hahatak sa'yo ulit para bumalik ka ulit. Para ma-stuck ka ulit, para para pigilan para ma-delay kung ano man yung journey mo ngayon or yung process mo ngayon. File number 2. And siguro people are expecting or inaasahan siguro ng mga tao na this person soon will reconnect sa'yo. This person is deceptive. This person is burdened. It can be this person is burdened kasi this person is regretting. Siguro you are on your peak na ngayon, you are celebrating na ngayon, pwedeng mag-abroad ka na, pwedeng natanggap ka, kung ano man yung in-applyan mo, pwedeng you have a good news ngayon, and this person is pwedeng in regret ngayon. Pwedeng iniwanan ka nitong person na to. Can be, pinagpalit ka sa iba. Pwedeng Grass is greener, yun ang inisip niya. Pero nare-realize niya pala na hindi. Soon you will be abundant and maraming nakakaalam. Persons are expecting na soon you will have a celebration and someone here is in regret. Page of Cups in reverse. Oo. Hmm. Gusto kang pigilan. Deceptive temptation. Gusto kang item para hindi matuloy kung ano man yung magandang bagay na dapat na na makukuha mo. Kasi nasa journey ka na ngayon eh. It's either po pwedeng you are processing on something and people are expecting na siguro na soon you will go somewhere. Parang ganyan. Yeah. You're powerful, pile number two. You know, you trust yourself, you trust the process, you trust your higher self, kahit na iniwan ka. Meron ako talagang may energy talaga ako nakukuha dito na someone here is regretting and wants to um, create a block para doon sa destiny mo. Parang ganun. It's either ikaw to, pile number two, or itong person na to nakukuha ko. So, take what's resonate, guys. Death card is here. So, may ending na. May ending na nangyari. Um, totally ending na, okay? You are in a new beginning na. You are in a journey na. Five of Cups is here. Kasi someone is um, feeling defeated. Five of Cups, someone is sad with a regret here. Resisting change again. Yeah. And pa pwedeng this person, um, alam niya eh, na soon you will be celebrated eh. Kaya, this person wants to create a blockage. Deceptive tong person na to. Gusto ka nitong pigilan. File number 2. So, take what's resonate, file number 2. So, ano yung inaasahan sa'yo or ano yung expectation sa'yo ng mga tao na soon you will have a celebration kasi alam nila kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo. Alam nila kung na nagtiwala ka sa process, na hindi ka nag-give up, na hindi ka sumuko, okay? Kahit na marami kang pinagdaanan before, siguro alam din nila na niloko ka. Siguro dati iniwan ka, kung ano man yan. Someone here is creating a block. Okay? Kasi hindi maka-move on sa'yo if this is a past person who is regretting. Okay? This person is feeling stuck. This can be a masculine. Yeah, with the Knight of Coins dito. This is a connection. Two of Cups. Can be in not a love life. It can be, pero kasi Two of Cups is part connection to eh. Can be a family member for some of you. A masculine. Mas bata. Yeah, bata. Mhm. So, take what's resonate, guys. So, kung nag-resonate sa'yo to, comment down below. Pero actually, I don't like this energy kasi this person will create a block. Yeah. Para dun sa marireceive mo na abundant. Pile number 2. So, take what's resonate, guys. Again, ha. Comment down below kung resonated sa inyo. And kung hindi man, it's okay. You are free to watch pile number 1. Okay, so, again, maraming salamat guys sa panonood and soon I will upload again a pick a pile, okay, and a collective reading. So, hindi ko napapatagalin, I will end this reading now. So, maraming salamat. This is Maria, Intuitive Tarot Reader, and this is Lelo na Tarot. Bye!